Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Monday.com CRM boards for pipeline tracking. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your browser and go to Monday.com. Log into your account or create a new account. Once logged in, click on the Add button at the top right corner. Select New Board from the drop-down menu. Name your board appropriately, like Sales Pipeline. Choose the board type as Main Board. Click Create Board to proceed. You will now see a blank board interface. Start by adding columns that correspond to your pipeline stages. To add a column, click on the plus Add Column button. Select the column type that fits your needs, such as status, text, or date. Label the columns according to your pipeline stages, like you can add additional information by clicking on the cell in each column. For each item, update its status as it progresses through the pipeline stages. To track your pipeline visually, use the Kanban view. Click on Views at the top right corner. Select Kanban from the drop-down menu. You can now drag and drop items between different stages. To automate updates, click on the Automations button. Choose a suitable automation template that fits your workflow. Configure the automation based on your team's needs. Once set, this will streamline movements between statuses. As you continue using the board, update item details regularly. You can also invite team members to collaborate on the board. Use the comments section for discussions directly tied to each item. Set due dates by clicking on the relevant cell in the date column. Monitor the overall progress through the dashboard view. Customize the dashboard to showcase key metrics and insights. Use widgets to display charts and graphs relevant to your pipeline. Review and adjust your pipeline setup as needed for optimal tracking. Now you have a fully functional CRM board on Monday.com for pipeline tracking. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.